In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery in your older Toyota 2 or 3 button key fob. First, locate the notch at the end of the key fob. Take a flathead screwdriver and gently pry open the key fob. The two sides snap together with plastic tabs, so be gentle when prying. Once the ends are loosened, the pieces lift apart easily. These Toyota key fobs use one CR2032 button battery. You can find a link to the battery in the description below. Use your screwdriver to help lift the battery out. Simply slide the new battery in to fasten in place. Then fit the two pieces together and push to snap the tabs back in place. You're all set. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.